Well, it's April 30th. It's Big Blue Switch weekend. Get a geocache and get a souvenir for the Big Blue Switch, which is the anniversary of the time they turned off selective for the GPS to make more GPSs more accurate. So we're also sitting at 450 points of the signal Labyrinth. So 2 mystery caches should give us 2 souvenirs with the 500 points for Signals Labyrinth and the Big Blue Switch. That next on Geocaching with Simrebel. First cache, a guardrail cache. It's a puzzle cache, so the difficult 4 was in the puzzle, so we just got to find the cache. And I'd say it would be this box here. Ugh, kind of squished in there. Got it out, had to use a stick. All signed in. So this is good for the Blue Switch souvenir. Well, there's supposed to be a tree about where Annette is standing, and there's no tree. So no cache. Plan 2 to get a letterbox. This looks like a likely location. Oh, and a geocache. Yay! Signed in and found a travel bug too. We'll move that on. Alright, so another letterbox. This looks suspicious. And there's the container. All signed in. This one has a boot stamp. Alright, there you go. Got my points for the signal. So we got the souvenir for that. And we have the Blue Switch Day souvenir. So until next time, cache later, cache on the trails. Okay, there's always time for one more cache. Another letterbox, and I'm assuming it's a LPC. Let's see what we can find. Oh, wrong side. Found it. All signed in. Check out that little stamp, eh? Just a little tiny jobby. Used to be a cache just back in there. I was in there 2 or 3 times and could not find it. Okay, so I think that's it now. No plans to get anything else, but this was unplanned too. So up my points by another 15, so 520. Cache later, cache on the trails. So this cache is by the Safety Village. There's a little fake church and a little fake Tim Hortons and train tracks, and I guess it teaches you to drive a little course and be safe.